पिंटू जी का प्रश्न आया हुआ है, हाउ कैन आई कंट्रोल माई एंगर?
By controlling your desires, by leaving selfishness, then only you can control your anger, because anger is caused by desires not being fulfilled. Or if the desire is fulfilled and you get something, then you are angry if someone starts to take away that. So you don't like that. Like a dog gets a bone, if another dog comes, growls. He doesn't want that other dog to take away the bone. And anger also, remember one thing, there are two types of angers. One is good anger, one is bad anger. The bad anger is also known as scolding. Bad anger is anger. So convert this into scolding. When you get angry because your desires are not fulfilled, that is bad. But scolding, the good anger, also known as scolding, is for the benefit of others. Okay? So go through Bhagavad Gita, spiritual. Spirituality will help you to control anger. It will give it direction. So how do I know Bhagavad Gita from? Where do I know it from? By reading you will not know. Sorry. You go to school or college. You go to the teacher, because the teacher makes you understand. So just give us a missed call on 72100-82100 and you'll receive a course on Bhagavad Gita free of cost. No hidden charges. Nothing. Free. And channelize your anger. Okay? All the best. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा गुरुजी, अनिल कोल जी का प्रश्न आया हुआ है, प्लीज क्लेरिफाई वेदर देर आर 33 करोड़ देव देवता और 33 कोटि देवी देवतास.
Why? What is the problem? There are 33 or 30 crore or 1000 crore. What does it matter? Nothing. This question has got no relevance. If they are 33 or 33 crore or koti, any relevance in our bhakti? No. So, if it is not relevance in our Krishna bhakti, then it does not hold any importance. So, don't get into all this. ठीक है, 33 हो या 33 करोड़ हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हाँ जी. So, this discussion has been going on since ages. But it does not benefit us. Does it benefit us in any way? By knowing this, do we go back home, back to Godhead? No. Nowhere Krishna says. Nowhere the Shastras say, if you do not know how many, like if you do not know how many ministers are there, cabinet ministers, but you know that which cabinet minister will do your work, you establish a relationship with him and get your work done. Does he ask you how many cabinet ministers are there? This is not IAS exam. So, try to understand. Do Krishna Bhakti, know the Bhagavad Gita. Just dial 72100-82100, missed call, and you will receive a free course on Bhagavad Gita. And by knowing Bhagavad Gita, you will become Sukham Avyayam. You will get so much of Sukh, bliss. Avyaya means which is never finished. So, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा गुरुजी, अजय जी का प्रश्न आया हुआ है, अर्जुन के गुरु कौन थे?
कृष्ण भगवान. अर्जुन ने क्या कहा? शिष्यस्ते हम साधि माम प्रपणम, कि अब मैं आपका शिष्य हूं, मुझे ज्ञान दीजिए. सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या है मेरे लिए? है ना जी? तो लकी थे, परंतु हम भी लकी हैं, क्योंकि हमें कृष्ण के एक मुख्य प्रतिनिधि, सेनापति भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी ठाकुर श्रील प्रभुपाद जी का शिष्य बनने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ. हाँ जी, बताइए इससे बढ़िया चीज क्या हो सकती है? अब अर्जुन किसके शिष्य थे, इस प्रश्न से आपको क्या लाभ होगा? हाँ जी, आप शिष्य बनोगे कि नहीं बनोगे ये सोचो, हैं जी। आपको शिष्य बनना चाहिए। आप रईस हो, पूछते हैं लोग, हाँ जी है, तो उससे हम थोड़ी रईस बन जाएंगे। उससे पूछो कि रईस बना कैसे जाता है, शिष्य होता कैसे, ठीक है ना
जी। Which book to prefer or to read as a main reference book, and what to maintain as important key pointers as a student? Thank you.
Bhagavad Gita, which is the essence of all knowledge, all books. But by just reading the book, you will not understand. Because the teacher helps you to understand the book. Reading you can do anywhere. Why do you go to school or college? Why do you become a student? You go to school or college or you want to become a student. Why do you become? Because you want to understand the book. That is what the teacher does. So just dial 72100 82100. Give a missed call. And you'll receive a course on the Bhagavad Gita. And after that, keep the Bhagavad Gita as it is. Bhagavad Gita what? Bhagavad Gita as it is with you after listening to this course. This is free of cost. Download. You'll be sent the course. Download it free. And get a Bhagavad Gita as it is by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Thakur Srila Prabhupada. And keep it and follow it throughout your life. Happy listening. All the best. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण गुरु जी, एक प्रश्न आया हुआ है, पढ़ाई पर कैसे फोकस करें, मन हमेशा परिणाम की चिंता करता रहता है।
क्या फायदा परिणाम की चिंता करके? चिंता मत करो, चिंतन करो। क्या करो?
चिंतन।
हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र जप करना शुरू करो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। इससे क्या होगा? कंसंट्रेशन डेवलप होगी। दूसरा, ज्ञान लो जो कि कंसंट्रेशन में हेल्प करता है। वो भगवद गीता में वो ज्ञान है। किसमें? भगवद गीता में वो ज्ञान है। तो भगवद गीता को समझना पड़ेगा। तो कैसे समझेंगे? मिस्ड कॉल करिए इस नंबर पर 72100 82100। कोर्स आएगा आपके पास फ्री में, उसको डाउनलोड करिए, सुनिए, फिर देखिए कहाँ जाएगा मन। उसको कंट्रोल करना है ना, तो विधि आनी चाहिए कि नहीं आनी चाहिए, प्रोसेस आना चाहिए। और ये हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का जप करना शुरू करिए रोज, कम से कम 108 बार तो करिए, उच्चारण करिए और ध्यान से सुनिए। प्रारंभ करिए, देखिए। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण गुरु जी, रविकांत जी का प्रश्न आया हुआ है, हाउ टू एक्ट लाइक ए प्रोफेशनल एंड लर्न।
हाउ टू एक्ट लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल एंड लर्न।
जी।
Act, the first word is wrong. That means you're going to do acting of becoming a professional, of being a professional. Because to be very honest, why do you want to become a professional? Or you want to act like a professional? Why? Because just by asking that I want to become a professional, there are professional thieves also. There are professional sharpshooters also. So this is actually this is a very vague question you asked. All these people are also professionals. So I would request to you, you should have asked me, how can I complete my personality? So to complete your personality, you need spirituality. Today you have got material knowledge, but no spiritual knowledge. Today you know how this world works, but you do not know what is the purpose of the creation of this world. So complete your personality through spirituality. Now how do I study that? How do I know about spirituality? Next question. Very simple. Bhagavad Gita is considered is the essence of all spiritual knowledge ever presented on the face of this earth or in this universe. Yes, it is the essence. So just give a missed call on 72100 82100 and you will receive a course free of cost, no charges, because we want that there should be people whose personalities are complete. Incomplete personalities create a lot of problems in life for self and others. So just go on to this, listen to this course, and then come back to us. Okay? Thank you for asking the question, Hare Krishna.